Okay, number 12 says, look at the box and whiskers plot below and calculate the IQR of the data set and determine whether there are any outliers in the data set. So first off, we know that the IQR, the interquartile range, means how far apart quartile 3 is from quartile 1. And in a box and whiskers plot, here's quartile 3 and here's quartile 1. So that's happening at 10, and here this is happening at 7, so we know that they're 3 apart. The interquartile range is 3 points, right? Okay, now we want to determine if there are any outliers, and if you remember, that means calculating an upper and lower fence. So an upper fence is calculated, remember, we take the quartile 3 and add it to 1.5 times that interquartile range. So we're saying, okay, this range times 1.5, and then I'm going to tack that on to quartile 3. So, and quartile 3 is 10, right? So 10 plus 1.5 times 3, 14.5. Okay, so the upper fence here is going to be right around here. So there's no outliers here, right? Okay, but lower fence, let's calculate the lower fence. That means take the lower quartile and do subtract away 1.5 times 3. So again, we're taking this interquartile range times 1.5, and then we're going to take that off of quartile 1, which in this case is 7. So 7 minus 1.5 times 3 is 2.5. So the lower fence is at 2.5. So are there any outliers? Definitely, because we know that there's at least 1 point lower than that, and there may be some others, we're not sure. So are there any outliers in the data set? Yes, there are outliers. There are points beyond this lower fence.